Okay, so I'm gonna show you the guard that just will not die in Assassin's Creed 3. I hate him so much, but he still will not die.
Persistent bastard, isn't he?
And all I'm doing this just to get a treasure, but he will not die. I even killed his guard dog.
Been a minute already.
It should not take longer than a minute to kill a guy. I switched from Tomahawk to Hidden Blades and he still will not die.
How much did this be before? How much did we film this for?
No idea. Can't he just die already? I mean, just look at this. This is bullshit. Let's try another thing. No. Get over here. No matter what I do, he will not die. Well, can somebody explain this to me? Well, this is probably going to go on forever. Maybe I'll put up another video. Until then, this is, well, I don't even know what to name, but whatever. Bye.